Panel Belt offers soundproofing. Absolutely. We offer both 38 and 42 STC rated wall panels. What this stands for is Sounds Transmission Class. What this means is it will bring the decibels transmitted through our walls down either 38 or 42 decibels. For example, a noisy office environment is rated around 60 decibels. If we have our 42 STC rated wall panels in between that area and an office, it will bring the sound transmission down to 20 decibels. This is the same as a quiet whisper. This is an easy solution that we can offer to deaden sound in all of our wall panels.